Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Healing Vibes. If you're new here, I'm Umar. I am an energy healer, and I create videos on various healing techniques, including how to clear negative entities, hexes, witchcraft, black magic, and curses. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 methods to clear curses from your life. These methods are powerful and can bring you peace and relief from negative energies. Let's dive in. Number 1. Energy healing. Energy healing techniques like Reiki can help remove negative energies and curses from your aura. By channeling positive energy into your body, you can cleanse your energy field and break the curse. Reiki works by balancing the energy centers in your body, known as chakras, and by removing blockages that may be harboring negative energies. During a Reiki session, a practitioner places their hands lightly on or just above your body, transferring healing energy. This not only helps in curse removal, but also promotes overall well-being, reduces stress, and enhances your physical and emotional health. Reiki healing sessions are a great way to restore balance and harmony in your life. Number 2. Emotion code healing. This method involves identifying and releasing trapped emotions that may be contributing to the curse. Trapped emotions are negative emotional energies from past events that can lodge in the body and affect physical and emotional health. By clearing these trapped emotions, you can eliminate the negative energy that is affecting you. The process involves using muscle testing to identify trapped emotions and then releasing them with a magnet or the intention to remove them. Emotion code healing is particularly effective for clearing curses because it addresses the root cause of the problem, helping you to release old emotional baggage and make space for positive energy to flow freely. Number 3. Prayer and spiritual rituals. Many cultures have specific prayers and rituals designed to remove curses. These can involve lighting candles, using sacred herbs, and reciting specific prayers or incantations. The power of these rituals lies in the intention and faith behind them. When you perform a ritual with a sincere heart and strong belief, you are harnessing your spiritual energy to break the curse. Some common elements used in these rituals include sage for smudging, salt for purification, and holy water for blessing. Performing these rituals regularly can help you maintain a positive and protected energy field, ensuring that curses and negative energies are kept at bay. Number 4. Crystal healing. Certain crystals like black tourmaline and amethyst have protective properties that can help clear curses. Black tourmaline is known for its ability to absorb negative energy and transform it into positive energy, while amethyst is a powerful stone for spiritual protection and purification. By placing these crystals around your home, carrying them with you, or meditating with them, you can create a shield of positive energy that repels negative forces. It's important to cleanse your crystals regularly by placing them in sunlight, moonlight, or using sage smoke to ensure they continue to function effectively. Crystal healing is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself from curses. And finally, number 5. Professional curse removal sessions. Sometimes, curses can be deeply rooted and require professional help. As a certified healer, I offer sessions specifically designed to clear curses and negative energies. During these sessions, I use a combination of techniques tailored to your specific situation to ensure the curse is fully removed. This can include energy healing, chakra balancing, and other specialized methods. My goal is to help you break free from the negative influences and regain control over your life. By seeking professional help, you can be assured that the curse will be dealt with thoroughly and effectively. These are my top 5 methods to clear curses. If you feel that you are affected by a curse and need help, you can book a session with me at my website. The link is in the video description below. Together, we can clear the negative energies and bring positivity back into your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healing tips and remedies. Stay blessed and take care.